could convert it to community service if you're having difficulty with a cash payment.
Okay. And what would community service be?
I think it computes to about 12 or 13 hours of community service if you want to do that.
Yeah.
And so if you're having difficulty with payment, I'm happy to try to do that for you.
Yeah, we can do that because I think that'll be a better option to me.
Okay. All right. Give me one moment.
Okay.
Okay. Calling ticket number SP 178-34342, City versus Latera Pruitt. Ms. Pruitt, you entered a guilty plea with a 3-month delayed sentence back in October. It has not yet been paid. That was for the city park closed count. The fine at that time was $190, which you're telling me you have some difficulty paying. I'm going to convert that to community service. Madam Clerk, could you give Ms. Pruitt the number to call for community service, please? All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
It's 313
Mm-hmm.
965
Mm-hmm.
8130.
8130.
Okay.
Okay.
Call them, let them know that you have 12 hours of community service to do, and they will help you get placement for that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to set a review here in 90 days. So you'll have 90 days to get the community service done. We have a 90-day date. Oh, here we go. Sorry, Madam Clerk, I see it. July 20th, 8:30 a.m. I need you to check back in with me, and I want to see that community service done then so we can get rid of this, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I'm very lost. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Thank you. You said July 20th, 8:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Is it Senor Polania?
Presente.
Buenos días.
Yes.
Esperas para la intérprete, por favor, okay. Escúchame.
Sí.
Okay. Esperas para la intérprete. Próximo 10 minutos.
Okay.
Gracias. Got a bunch of phones not muted. There we go. Okay. Yes, give me 1 second. My screen is jumping all around. Give me 1 second. It's going crazy. Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
All right, you've got co-host, Madam Clerk. Let me give you co-host. Good morning to everyone else. Welcome to traffic court. A number of you are on phone-only devices, which is okay. I'm going to need to get your devices named, though, so please listen closely. Then I'm going to put you in breakout rooms. When I put you in those breakout rooms, you will be waiting to see an attorney before I hear your matter. You're our second or third wave of folks in this morning. That means there's a little bit of a wait. We're up to room 19, so you guys will be starting with room 20. The attorneys are working their way through. Please do not use the help button when you are in the breakout room unless you are having some emergency that causes you to need to leave court altogether, okay? And please don't leave the breakout room unless you are having an emergency of that sort. In that case, we will get you rescheduled. But other than that, when you use the help button or people keep popping back out because they're tired of waiting, I have to stop court. Everything takes longer. All right. So please be patient. We can see you waiting there. It's quiet in your breakout room until the attorneys get there and we know you're there. Use the time, please, to gather documents if you need to, like registration, insurance, if you got something fixed, vehicle, etc. Please go ahead and gather those items while you wait. I'm going to start naming some devices. I've got someone with looks like a love tattoo on the neck. Could you unmute, please, ma'am? Yep. I need your name.
Ariane Thomas.
Ariane, A-R.
No, E-A-R-E-O-N. E-A-R-E-O-N. Thomas is as in the train.
Thank you. All right, and then I have, it looks like Elise. Is it Hello Kitty sweater? Good morning, one of my favorites. What's your name, please?
Elise, can you hear me?
I can. What's the last name?
Peter. E-R-S.
Peters? Are you saying Peters?
Yes, Peters.
Okay, thank you. I've just got a delay in the audio. All right, thank you. I've got a woman in a pink shirt and glasses. Unmute, please. Give me a name.
Danielle Poor.
I got Danielle. What's the last name, please?
Poor, P-O-R-E.
Thank you. I've got phone number 586 area code, last four digits 7623. I need a name, please.
D'Angelo Pickett.
D'Angelo Pinkett.
Pickett, P-I-C-K-E-T-T.
Thank you. All right, then I have a phone number 586 area code, last four digits 9415. I need you to unmute and give me a name. All right, we'll go to the phone number ending in 2289. Phone number ending in 2289. Might need a name, please.
Tawana Posey.
Tawana, T-A-W-A-N-A.
T-A-W-A-N-D-A. Posey. P as in Paul, O-S-E-Y.
Hold on, please. Guys, all right. One more time, please. Slowly with the first name.
T as in Tom, A-W-A-N-D as in dog, A. Last name Posey, P as in Paul, O-S-E-Y.
Thank you. All right, I have phone number ending in 7886. I need a name, please.
Timothy Turner.
I've got Timothy. What was the last name, please?
Turner, T-U-R-N-E-R.
I'm sorry, please slow down. This is why we ask everybody to name their own devices. I do not know how to spell every name in the world. Please slowly spell your last name.
T-U-R-N-E-R. Like the Fairly Odd Parents.
Oh, Turner. Now that one I should know how to spell. I just couldn't hear you. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Then I've got phone number ending in 1269. I'm going to ask you to unmute, please, and give me a name. All right, guys, I'm going to start placing you in breakout rooms to see the attorney. Again, we know there's a wait. Please be patient. They're getting to you. When you see an invitation to join a breakout room, please go there and the attorneys will come to see you. Uh-oh, that's not good. I just put 3 people in room 22. All right. Under 23. Under 24. There we go. Okay, now. Okay. Now I'm going to try this again. If you're on the 586 phone number, there is so much background noise. I'm not going to be able to hear anything. I don't know what's going on, but there's just a huge amount of background noise. We'll try it again in just a moment. But if you're moving around outside, please try to get to a quiet space. I've got a phone number ending in 1269. Please unmute. I need your name.
Mario Porter.
All right, thank you. Mr. Porter, what is going on? Why am I getting so much noise?
I'm at work right now. They're not giving me no break right now. I just really came off break.
All right, that's okay. You can keep going because you'll be in a breakout room for a minute. All right, go ahead. I'm putting you in a breakout room. What did we get on? Delonte Pruitt in room 8, they need an SOS. And then Monique Till is ready if I can get her to come out. Let me know what you get on the SOS on Pruitt and I'll know if they're ready. I'm going to try to go in and get Miss Pruitt out, but I'm going to make you host in case I get stuck.
Okay.
Can you make me co-host, please? And what did you find out about the interpreter?
No answer, and I sent an email, and I'm going to try and call them again.
Okay, thank you. Corporal Croxton, good morning. I'm going to place you in room 1 to see city attorney.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning. Let's see if I can get Ms. Till. Ms. Till, please come to the main session. She doesn't know how. There we go. All right. Good morning, Ms. Till. All right, you're muted. All right, I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Calling ticket number P1878527, City versus Monique Till. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Monique Till, how are you, Your Honor?
I'm wonderful this morning. How about yourself?
They won't leave me alone.
Well, this part's about to get easier at least. Your sole charges are no insurance and registration. Defense counsel has reviewed both valid documents, asked me to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I'm going to do. All right, so hopefully Monday is a little happier. Your tickets are dismissed.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
You have a good day.
You too. He's valid. Okay. And I'll take that one. Thank you. Okay. And then he may be, Pinkard says valid docs. I don't know. All right. Let's get. Main session, please. Okay, Mr. Pruitt, calling ticket number P1134758. City versus Delonte Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt, please turn on your camera, state your name. Good morning.
Good morning, Delonte Pruitt.
Thank you. We have reviewed your license with the Secretary of State. It is showing as valid. Defense counsel has also confirmed that you have taken care of your improper plates and the no insurance. They've asked me to dismiss all of your tickets. I'm going to go ahead and do that at this time.
Okay.
Your
Thank you.
tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The sentencing on Danella Taylor. Is Miss Taylor here? Good morning. Phone number ending in 1269. I need a name, please.
Dago Tarver.
Spell the first name.
Dago.
And spell the last name.
Tarv. B as in Victor, ER.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Tarver, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. There will be a wait, and it will be quiet in there until the attorneys get there. It does not mean you're in the wrong place, okay?
Okay.
Just wait patiently for them. They'll be there to see you. Okay. Let's see, 8 is done. And then I've got, that's a trial. This sentencing is on Vanilla Taylor. Can you check Zakiah Pinkard?
Yeah, I'm looking at hers now. She has a trial scheduled for April 30th.
Okay.
I don't know why this one wasn't scheduled.
Okay. Well, it looks like they're saying she has valid docs. I'm trying to understand where we are with it. What time is she on the docket?
That's for 8:30, aiming on a bench warrant, but it's just for this one case. I'm thinking it may have been overlooked or something.
All right, well,
The first floor scheduled it for arraignment on a bench warrant.
well, it doesn't matter because this one's a dismissal. It's just registration and she has valid docs.
Okay.
So then this one will be dismissed and then she'll be back for her trial date. All right, good morning, Ms. Pinkard. Good morning.
Good morning.
There we go. How you doing this morning?
I'm doing all right.
Good. Looks like you've got a trial date with us in the future, but we've got this one ticket that's hanging out there on the registration. And because it's valid, I'll go ahead and dismiss that one at this time, and then you'll just come back on your trial date, okay?
Okay.
All right. So calling ticket number SP 150-22792, City versus Zakiah Pinkard. Ms. Pinkard, just state your name for the record, please.
Zakiah Pinkard.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Pinkard, this ticket is for unregistered vehicle. Defense counsel has reviewed valid registration and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay, so this particular ticket is dismissed, and then we will see you back on, it was the 30th, Madam Clerk?
Okay.
We'll see you back on the 30th for your trial date, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Good morning, Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Judge. I had Deshaun Price. Did that person check in?
No. One moment. I'm trying to give you co-host so that you can see. And then, but I need host back. Sorry, Madam Clerk. So that I can move around. And then I'll make you co-host again. Okay. Okay, you said Price. Is that what you said? Okay. I don't have a price in. Who else?
That was it.
Yeah, I don't have that individual just yet.
What's your
They would have
next
been told. They would have been
action?
told. They would have been told 9:15 though, likely if you were appointed. Let me just see.
Okay, too early.
Yeah, I think you're too early. Let me just see. Usually, yep, he's scheduled for 9:15. He's actually scheduled for trial today.
I just got this case. I got to get to discovery and paperwork. I don't know how they did that.
That's fine.
I guess
I know there were some things going on with appointing counsel in the last month or so. So I know there was some different. If you want to come back in, you can, so you can talk with him, or do you want to just get another date?
Well, I want to get another date so I can be ready. I guess the other question is, did the police show up too?
Well, I mean, trial is not scheduled to start until 9:15, so the police would have until 9:45.
So I'll come back.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, well, thank you.
All right. Morning, Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Mr. Thigpen's documents for everything but his license. If we could get a SOS for him, I believe everything's going to be valid docs, just so you understand my notes behind his name.
Gotcha. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and move him out here.
Okay.
Telling you it's valid. I remember talking to him. I think that's probably true, but we'll run the SOS and I'll just bring him on out.
Thank you.
Thank you. What are we gonna do about this interpreter matter?
I don't know.
Okay, Mr. Thigpen, good morning. Just let me know when you get the SOS on Mr. Thigpen. Naja P, is it Pearson? Was that your name?
Yes.
Hey, did you get kicked out of the breakout room?
My phone died.
All right, which room were you in?
Don't remember.
All right. I'll have to put you back in a breakout room just a moment.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, I can't tell which room you came out of, and that means I have to move you to the end. So make sure that phone is charging, and please don't try to answer other calls, etc. while you're waiting. It'll kick you off. Room
Okay.
29. Thank you. Valid?
Not valid.
Not valid. Okay. All right, Mr. Thigpen. Let's see. Can I see the SOS on him, please? All right, Mr. Thigpen, your license is showing as suspended until June 20. Oh, no, that's back from 2009. Wait a minute. No, Madam Clerk. Hold on a minute. That's interesting. Do you know what's going on with your driver's license? It's showing that it was suspended for a
Yeah,
period
I
until
just went
March
in. I'm
March
sorry.
of 2020. So, yep, go ahead. You just went in what?
I just went and took the written test and the road test again and got it all back. And it popped up.
Okay.
And I got my registration and I got my trailer plate. Everything
Yeah, I'm not worried
that
about the registration and insurance docs. Defense counsel looked at
I
those.
yeah, I got my permit that I just got like a couple of days
Okay.
ago on the 7th, and they gave me,
Okay.
and I don't have, the written, I took the road test, but the proof of that is in my phone. I passed
Okay.
it too.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. Given that you're showing me the documents and defense counsel has reviewed your other documents, I'll go ahead and call your matters at this time, which I have tickets number SP 166-19402 and 401, SP 119-24221, SP 107-66561. These are all city versus Carnell Thigpen. Mr. Thigpen, having reviewed all of your valid documentation, your tickets today are dismissed. Good job getting all your stuff in order and getting back on track with your license.
Appreciate that, man.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. Did I just leave?
Oh, yeah, you can go. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, Attorney Urso, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Well, I'm fine, Your Honor. Mr. Taylor and I are before the court today. I spoke with the prosecutor.
Mr. Taylor in your office? I've got Jason Turner by your name.
It's Taylor. I did the room.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so Taylor, and then is that person in your office or do I need to bring them out of a breakout room?
He's in a waiting room or a meeting room.
Jason,
I think.
I'm going to bring him on out so that
Please
we can
now.
get everything. Okay. Just waiting a minute just for him to pop out here. All right, I'm ready on that file, please, Madam Clerk.
You want to unmute yourself.
Here, Jason Taylor.
Okay, thank you. Just getting your file. Give me just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Officers in. All right, good morning. I need to call one case. Officers, if you could update your names, if you don't already have the defendant's name on there, I would appreciate it. Good morning, Attorney Hijazi.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your client, I believe, is here and city attorney is in room 2.
Thank you.
Calling ticket number P1886703, City versus Jason Taylor. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, John Urso, appearing on behalf of Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Jason Taylor.
Thank you. Sole charge here is a 16 to 20 over. The resolution, please.
Your Honor, the city attorney has offered blocking traffic, which we would embrace, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Taylor, you are admitting to blockading traffic on March 24th of 2026 at Gratiot and Sanford Street.
Yes.
Thank you. That fine is $175. 0 points, does not extract out to your insurance. $175, 60 days to pay or start on a payment plan with the cashiers. Have a great day. Good to see you, Attorney Urso.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a pleasant day yourself.
Same to you. All right, bye.
Okay.
All right. Okay, guys, officers, I'm going to start placing you in breakout rooms to see city attorney. She is here with us right now. So Corporal Bajan just sent you to room 1. Officer Cruz sending you to room 1. All right, and I need officer, is it Asakri? I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, which case?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here on the last name. My bad. It's Thrasher Rondale. I can give you the case number.
I just need you to spell the last name, please.
Okay, it's THRASHER.
And the first initial?
It's R as in Robert.
Thank you. I'm going to place you in breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney about the case.
Thank you, ma'am.
Attorney Gaten Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor. Do you have a copy of Ms. Horn's offers?
I do.
I cannot read that. I don't know what that initial next to the trivia Taylor is.
Okay, let's see. Taylor, what time? Oh, there we go. Blockading. No insurance is dismissed. Failure to stop sign used to blockading.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Attorney Hijazi.
Good morning, Your Honor. We are ready.
Okay, great. I'll bring Mr. Thomas out. And then I've got Jasmine Thomas, good morning, and Deshaun Price, good morning. Ms. Thomas, you're going to go into a breakout room. An attorney will be there to meet with you. Please be patient and don't use the help button unless you're having some life-threatening emergency causing you to leave court. They know you're there. They're getting to you. Room 29. If you know you need to gather documents like registration, insurance, et cetera, use the time to do that. Please go ahead and join the breakout room. Deshaun Price, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Just FYI, Attorney Barrett did check in already this morning. She'll be back shortly. We're waiting to see if the officer appears for your trial. So I'm going to place you in the breakout room to wait. It's going to be a little bit of a wait. You're going to room 6.
Okay.
Actually, you're going to go to room 4. I'll put you in 4.
All right. Thank you.
Is it Attorney Zania?
That's correct.
Morning, how are you?
Morning. So far, so good. Thank you. And you?
Good. Good. Which case are you here on?
I'm here on a ticket for Mr. Tassi. T-A-S-I.
T-A-S-I. What's the first name?
It's almost
give me
Juxton.
Like a J?
J, yes.
Okay, that works. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and give you co-host. I'll also move you to room 2. City attorney will be there to speak with you about the matter.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get Jonathan Thomas out here, and then I need the file, Madam Clerk, when you're ready. Oh, I thought I had Attorney Hijazi. Why don't I see? Oh, he's disconnected. Is this a civil? Lost his audio. I don't see his client here, but it's a civil, so it's okay. We got Miss Pearson back. She just keeps getting knocked off. Miss Pearson, I don't know what to tell you.
I'm having technical difficulties. My apologies.
Okay, it's okay. I just hate that I keep, you keep getting kicked to the end of the line because I don't know what room you're coming out of. I'm going to try to find it, but I need you to really do your best to stay in the session.
I will. I promise this time.
I think if I move you to, I'm going to move you to 21. Join 21.
Okay.
Ready on Trivial Taylor when you're ready. Attorney Hijazi is disconnected from audio. We're going to have to bring Ms. Ortiz back if we can't get an answer about the interpreter. Calling ticket number P1879830, City versus Trivial Taylor. Ms. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Trivial Taylor.
Trivial Taylor, sorry. And you're in the dark, so I can't see your face at all, but that's okay. Just in case I am misgendering you, I apologize. I can't see a face at all. There we go. All right, Mr. Taylor, I can now. Thank you. Good morning. All right.
Not a problem.
A failure to stop for stop sign and a no insurance misdemeanor. City is dismissing the no insurance misdemeanor if you are willing to admit to blockading traffic. And I understand that you are making that admission at this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And you're admitting then on March 13th of 2026 at Morang and Weyburn that you were in fact blockading traffic.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The fine there is $175. You have 60 days to get that paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal remains intact, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye. So we're not getting any answer from interpreter services?
They just answered. So they're working on it.
Okay, thank you. Jossie still doesn't have audio. Does Danella Taylor have appointed counsel? She's here for sentencing today.
No.
That's strange, but okay. Okay, Attorney Hijazi, looks like you're connected to audio again. I actually don't have Mr. Thomas here, but that's okay since it's just a civil. I'll go ahead and call it if you're ready.
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Great. Calling ticket number P1872522, City versus Jonathan Thomas. Your appearance, please, counsel.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Jonathan Thomas. I would be requesting a waiver of his presence this morning. This is a civil infraction. I have authority to act on his behalf.
Thank you. Waivers granted. Charges 1 to 5 over. What's the resolution?
Your Honor, prosecutor is offering a blockading. I do have full authority to admit response on my client's behalf.
All right, your admission is accepted on your client's behalf. The fine, as you know, is $175. 60 days to get it paid off or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Good to see you. Gary Posey, good morning. Please unmute. On to Sean Parker, what do we have? Because he's got a valid license. All right, Ms. Horn.
Judge, I'm gonna send you a chat.
Okay.
Okay, on.
And then I wanted to just run room 18 by you to see if.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't get a chat yet. I'm waiting for the
Okay,
chat.
I'm doing it now. I'm sitting here trying to think it out whether I should come to the courtroom or
He
not.
said
Let's
okay,
see.
and I'm like, uh-oh, it's like there's so many different little boxes. I'm like, I don't know where the chat went. Mr. Posey, good morning. Can you run an SOS on Mr. Posey?
Good morning.
Good morning. Give me just a minute. We're going to run your SOS and then I'll know what we're doing next with you.
Okay, I sent it, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Warren.
You're welcome.
Okay, gotcha. Do we have an officer here that I need to bring out?
No, Your Honor, Sergeant Rios is here, so I'll just go on the record and acknowledge his presence.
May I have the TASI file, please, Madam Clerk, TASI? Thank you.
I'm looking at room
Calling-
18 now.
Okay, I don't know if it changes anything. I just noticed that the license was valid, but you made an offer, which includes a dismissal of another type of charge. All right, I've got ticket number P1875015, City versus Juxon Tassi. Appearances, please.
Attorney Kevin.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. And Sergeant Rios was here and available for hearing today.
Thank you.
Attorney Kevin Zania, P77522. I'm covering for the attorney of record on this matter, Theodore Metry, on behalf of the defendant, rather.
Thank you.
Zoom court. I'm on Zoom court.
Excuse me. All right. All right, I understand the offer is to blockading, and that's you're going to accept that on behalf of the client?
That is correct. A plea of response.
Thank you.
Judge.
All right, your admission is accepted. The fine is $175, 60 days to get it paid in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay?
Fantastic. Have a lovely rest of your days.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, and Your Honor, yes, the people are moving for dismissal on Deshaun Parker on all matters.
Deshaun Parker. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm thinking that that VMO was probably before the laws changed.
Okay, gotcha. Ms. Taylor, how may I help you?
Yes, I didn't know if I was supposed to stay in that breakout room or.
Yeah, you're here for sentencing today, so you have to wait for an attorney to get your pre-sentence report and go over it with you, okay? They're gonna have to do that with you, so you've got to wait, and I need you to return yourself to your room to do that. Yes, ma'am, Ms. Warren. All right, I'm gonna go on to the next matter, Ms. Taylor. I'm gonna mute you, and you need to get yourself, you need to return to the breakout room. Deshaun Parker, calling tickets number U451568818 and 409625 and P1453838, all City versus Deshaun Parker. Mr. Parker, state your name for the record, please. Please unmute, sir.
Deshaun Parker.
All right, city has moved for dismissal on your tickets. I'm going to go ahead and grant the dismissal at this time. Happy Monday. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
So I can leave now?
Hey, leave. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yes, for city. All right, Mr. Posey, I've got to get you into a breakout room because your license is still showing as revoked. That means you need to speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room to do that at this time. There will be a wait. Please be patient. Please don't use the help button unless you are having some emergency that causes you to need to not to leave court. Otherwise, the attorneys know you're there. They're coming. Please be patient. All right, go ahead and join, please, now. Finally, we have our interpreter. Thank you. Good morning to our interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you this morning?
Very well, thank you.
Good. I'm just go ahead and swear you right now. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English.
I do.
Thank you. And then just state your name for the record, please, Madam Interpreter.
Give me a second, Your Honor. I am going to try to bring the volume up on my device because I can barely hear you. But I know it's me. It's just that I put the volume low on my device. That's all.
Okay. Ms.
There you go,
Barrett,
Your
your
Honor. Now I
client,
can
one
hear
moment,
you.
please. Okay, great. Ms. Barrett, your client is in room 4. No officer yet, but they have until 9:45. Okay, Ms.
Thank
Ukros,
you.
would you please state your name for the record?
Inés Ucros, INES, Ucros, UCROS, Spanish interpreter.
Thank you. For the record, I just swore you in and I do find you qualified to interpret. Court is very familiar with the high quality and frequency of your work here. All right. We have Mr. Ortiz, Willington Ortiz Polania. If you would ask him to join you in a breakout room, please, I would appreciate it. And I will
Señor
send
Willington Ortiz Polania, usted ha solicitado la asistencia de un intérprete y va a recibir una invitación en su pantalla para ir a una sesión separada. Por favor, acepte la invitación que aparece en la pantalla para poder ir a una reunión donde pueda hablar con el intérprete y el abogado de oficio.
Join now. Join now.
I have not received it. The interpreter has, Your Honor.
No me dejo unirme a ninguna
Oh, okay, hold on. I know why. He got placed in a breakout room earlier, but didn't go. Where is he?
Espere un momento, por favor.
Here he is. Okay, got it.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, please join breakout room now.
Acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla. I think that his connection, is he in breakout room number 5, Your Honor?
Yes.
Great.
Thank you. Okay. Ma'am, on the iPhone, I'll be right with you. May I have the Petway file? Thank you. Antoine Petway, please unmute, turn on your camera. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1867843, City versus Antoine Petway. Mr. Petway, state your name for the record, please.
Antoine Petway.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to turn that disregarding traffic control into a 1 to 5 limited access so that you don't get points. They're going to dismiss the no insurance. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're admitting that on March 12th of 2026 at Grand River and Rosa Parks that you were blockading traffic?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, not the blockading traffic, that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
No, that wasn't.
All right, well, then you can admit to the disregarding traffic.
Yes.
Hold on, Mr. Petaway, stop. We're both talking at the same time.
Oh.
Our poor court reporter doesn't know who's answering what question, not just your fault. I was doing it too. So we'll just stop, slow down for a minute, okay? This requires that you admit to either disregarding a traffic control device, or, which I will then reduce to 1 to 5 over the posted speed, or you can admit to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. But you must be admitting to one of those in order for me to accept your admission.
Yes, I do admit to that. Yes.
Which one are you admitting to?
The 1 mile over.
All right, very good. All right, the fine there is going to be $125, 60 days to either pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things in the next 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
Okay, I can go down to 36 and pay.
Yep, you can. You can pay online through the court's website. Don't try to do it today. Wait until at least tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, all right, have a great day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Corporal Alexander, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's you in breakout room number 1 for city attorney to come see you. Ma'am, on the iPhone, I need your name, please.
Yes, Kayla Thomas.
Is it Kayla?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a little bit of a wait. Please be patient. Use the help button if you have a life-threatening emergency and need to leave court. Other than that, please just be patient and use the time to gather documents if your case involves registration, insurance, et cetera. Yes, Madam Clerk.
Okay, how long is the wait?
I don't know, but you're here for trial today, so you do have to wait.
Okay.
Room 7. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Your Honor, may I have a date after the 13th for Miss Danielle Poor, a date after May 13th?
You can use the after May 13th. We want to do May 20th?
Okay, that's any date after the 13th is good.
Okay, let's do the 20th. Are you on evens or odds?
Evens.
Okay, thank you.
So that would be a adjourned pretrial for, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
On Christian Thomas, what do we have there? We've got a valid SOS. Oh. Where's Christian Thomas? Morning, Corporal Whitehead. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm on Stacy Perkins.
Thank you. Gotcha. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna get you into room 1. City attorney will be there to see you.
Okay. Also, Your Honor, I'll be in also going to another courtroom 340 as well.
Okay, please let Ms. Horn know.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm looking for Christian Thomas. Yeah, I think. No. So then with Gaden Robinson, we'll need her to go to 5 for the interpreter matter and then 3 for the sentencing matter. While we're waiting to see if these trials are going to go. Would you send a copy, if we haven't already, of the pre-sentence report to Gaden Robinson?
Yeah, I already sent it.
Great, thank you.
Oh.
When is this ticket from on her? Can I have the file on Danoa Taylor, please? Oh, this ticket is from 2019. Okay. All right. Why is she doing that? I need to go. Timothy Turner, let's see what's going on there. Blockading. Good morning, Mr. Turner.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
We have verified the validity of your license. City is offering to dismiss that charge and amend your failure to signal, which would have carried points, to a blockading traffic so that it's 0 points and it doesn't report out to your insurance. Do you want to take that 0 point ticket instead of the points ticket, or do you want to have a hearing?
What would the hearing consist of?
So if you think you're innocent, then a hearing would have the officer come and you'd have basically a kind of a mini trial on whether or not you failed to signal. And if I found you responsible, I would be finding you responsible on the fail to signal, which is a point. It has points. They're offering you blockading, which is 0 points, but you do have to pay a fine over time.
And how much would a fine be?
It's $175.
And how long do I have to take care of it?
You can, well, I give you 60 days, and if you need more time than that, you can get it from the cashiers.
That'll be fine. I don't have time to go through all this. I just take the no points and pay the $175.
Okay, let me call your matter and then we'll get it done. Okay, give me 1 second.
All right, thank you.
Timothy Turner. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1879476, City versus Timothy Turner. Mr. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Timothy Turner, Jr.
Thank you. All right. As discussed, they would be dismissing the license ticket and amending the fail to signal, which does carry points, to a blockading, which is no points and it doesn't report to your insurance. Okay.
Okay.
But it does require you to admit that on March 13th of 2026 in the area of Frankfurt or Chatsworth that you either failed to signal or blockaded traffic. Are you admitting to one of those two things?
I have to, so yeah.
175, 60 days to pay it or to get on a payment plan. If you want a payment plan, you see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and just let them know that you need a longer term payment plan and they'll put you on one. Okay. They'll just want a small down payment. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this matter is all wrapped up. Okay.
Okay, so wait, before I got a little bit of a misunderstanding. Do I have to come down physically to the courthouse, or would it be something
you
in the
don't?
mail?
You can pay this ticket online through the court's website. Just don't try to do it today.
Okay, gotcha, no problem.
Get it updated. Okay. Have a great day, Mr. Turner.
Okay, I hope you have a better one.
Thank you. Okay. All right, Aaron Thomas, good morning.
Thomas, I need to know what charge he's here for.
Is he on the docket?
No.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, we're not seeing you on our docket. Do you have a ticket number or something?
Ticket number, V 13072823.
Okay, one more time, please.
It's letter V 13072823. My name is Anthony Thomas.
Oh, okay. Anthony Thomas. Okay, and what time was he scheduled for, Madam Clerk?
9:30. He's here for
Trial. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Thomas, I'm going to get you into a breakout room.
Okay.
All right. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, all right. Somebody's going to come and see you today in the breakout room. Please be patient. There's a little bit of a wait, but they're moving pretty well today.
Okay.
I'll put you in room 8. Go ahead and join room 8, please. Corporal Jones, good morning. I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning, Judge. Yeah, I'm here for Rondo Thrasher.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room to meet with city attorney before I hear the matter.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Now what's going on? Is Dayton Robinson still here?
She's in 27.
Is she somewhere? Okay.
Right.
Okay. I keep trying to move her to 5 because I need that interpreter matter done. I'm going to move Mr. Posey up since he's here for trial. I'm going to put him in room 10. All right, I feel like we have trials starting at a couple of different times today, so I want to, huh? Are you talking? All right, let's see.
Deshaun Price should have been a pre-trial.
Well,
Someone scheduled it for a trial.
well, if he was scheduled for trial and the officer was subpoenaed, then it's a trial. I mean, that's what it is. Yeah.
For him.
And we're ready. Yes.
Sent an email to Attorney Beard asking her to just wait,
Asking her to wait.
just to wait for 15 minutes. And see.
Why?
No, just when she checked in. Because since it's
Okay, but we're ready now, right? Okay, okay,
9:45.
okay. That was what my confusion. Sorry.
Oh.
Ms. Taylor, I know you're tired of waiting. We're doing the best we can, but you keep coming out here and we're just trying to run the
Calling
courtroom.
me. I'm so sorry. I
It's
just seen
okay.
it pop up there. Maybe I touched something.
It's okay. And I'm trying to get the attorney to your room, so just give me a second. I'm really trying to move her, okay?
Okay.
She's got to review that pre-sentence report with you. Nothing I can do until then. All right. We're ready on Price. Need her to come on out. Please come to the main session. Like, can't get these folks to come to the main session. I mean. All right, can I have the Jacqueline Phillips file, please? Good morning, Ms. Phillips. I'm going to ask you to unmute, turn your camera on. Thank you. I'm going to call your matters. I've got ticket V141770 and V141769. Both are City versus Jacqueline Phillips. Ms. Phillips, just state your name.
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Jacqueline Phillips.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Phillips, raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, so I've got these two tickets for the unlicensed dogs. I'm told that you did get the licensing. That's great. There's been a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I'm going to go ahead and grant at this time.
Thank you.
Then I also have the provide proof of rabies vaccination. Did you provide that proof to Defense Counsel?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. They indicated so in their notes and asked me to dismiss this ticket on that basis as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that at this time. Good job getting all those things together. Tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you as well, Your Honor.
Yeah. I just don't understand why I cannot get people out of the breakout rooms. And what's going on with all right, we've got Gaten Robinson in room 5, and then she'll go to room 3. Najia Pearson, do I have an officer?
Yes, Francis.
On Pearson?
Yes.
Called, okay. So let me just update that. You said Officer Cruz, CRUZ? Okay. And then I've got on Kayla Thomas officers here. What about? What time was Mr. Posey scheduled for?
9:30.
Okay. No officer yet. Thrasher officers are here. Anthony Thomas. Okay. You said you emailed Attorney. Can you tell Attorney Barrett we're ready? Can you email her again in case she might be confused? Because I keep trying to prompt them out of the breakout room, but they won't come out. I can't get Mr. Price to come out, and I don't know what happened to Attorney Barrett. I don't understand why people just won't come out. Okay, I've been trying to get you and Mr. Price out of the breakout room for a while.
For some reason, I don't know what was going on with my phone. I don't know.
Seems to be either stuck or not paying attention as well. I'll go ahead and call it, and you can make your motion and let him know.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I don't know what's happening today, but anyway.
Okay, calling ticket number P1836372, City versus Deshaun Raheem Price. This case was scheduled for trial at 9:15 a.m. today. Attorney Barrett, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Deshaun Price, P43238. Judge, based upon the fact the police haven't showed up, we make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
Thank you. Motion to dismiss is granted. Dismissal is without prejudice due to the officer's failure to appear. I assume you'll let Mr. Price know that he can go.
Right. Can you give me co-host? Because I called in on another device and I'm gonna go in there and see if I can tell them. Thank you.
Just remove him from the meeting. I'm sure he'll dial back in and we can let him know. Thank you. Okay. Oh, Mr. Price, your case was just dismissed due to the officer's failure to appear. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
Bye. All right. On Christian Thomas. Oh boy, here's this person back now with his last name. Phone number ending in 9415. Phone number ending in 9415. Phone number ending in 9. Oh, they didn't even get back on. I think this must be the one that's still suspended coming out of room 27. Polania is going to be a dismissal. Okay. Our interpreter to come out. She's not coming out. Madam Interpreter? Phone number ending in 9415. Name, please.
Mario Porter.
Mr. Porter, do you know what room you were in previously?
No, I'm not sure.
All right, you're at the end of the line and you're about to get skipped. You need to stay on the line so that the attorney can come and speak with you. Is that Mario?
I'm at work. Yes, I'm at work, and I was on the phone for an hour. As soon as they came to the
Mr.
phone,
Porter, Mr. Porter. There was a day and age not too long ago when you didn't get to come to court and work at the same time. Now, I'm happy to try to accommodate people, because I understand we all need to work. But this is court. You're not present if you're not present. They're coming to see you. You were next in line, I believe, but because you weren't there, there's no one in the room. You need to go there and wait and pay attention when they get there. Would you please confirm that Mario Porter is suspended? Same one. Okay, thank you. I just want to make sure. Calling ticket number P1876383, City versus Willington Ortiz Polania.
Buenos días, señor Polania, active su cámara y su micrófono. Estamos presentes en el acta en el caso de la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor Willington Ortiz Polania, número de caso SP 187638331.
Mr. Polania, please state your name for the record.
Señor Polania, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en actas.
Willington Ortiz Polania.
Willington Ortiz Polania.
Defense counsel has reviewed your valid documents and made a motion to dismiss on that basis, which I am granting at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Señor Polania, el abogado de oficio tuvo la oportunidad de revisar los documentos que usted presentó y está solicitando que su caso sea desestimado, el cual yo estoy otorgando porque usted presentó la documentación en regla. Que tenga un buen día. Su caso ha sido desestimado.
Ok, gracias.
All right, thank you.
Okay, de nada. Have a good day.
Que tenga un buen día. Hasta luego. Your Honor, I don't think you need the interpreter any longer.
Nope. Thank you so much for your service today.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. Okay, on the iPhone without a name, I need a name, please.
Stacy Perkins.
Ms. Perkins, you were here previously?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, and I do have an officer here, I believe. Do I? All right, you're here for trial today. The officer is here. Go and put you in a breakout room so you can see the attorney before I hear the matter.
Okay, thank you.
Room 4. Okay, so I've got officer here on room 4. All right, Ms. Taylor, now we ready?
Yes.
Okay, all right, let's get Attorney Gaten Robinson back out here with us, and then we'll get that done, okay? What do I have on Anthony Thomas? No officer still. And Gary Posey. Yeah, I'll take Anthony Thomas and Gary Posey. Yeah, Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm wonderful.
Great. All right. I want to take care of a couple of no officer cases real quick, if you don't mind, before I start Ms. Taylor, since they'll be fast.
Okay,
I have.
Mr. Thomas, you can't drive on Zoom, sir. You got to pull over.
Thank you for catching that. Calling ticket number B130729, B130728, B130727. All of these are City versus Anthony Thomas. Mr. Thomas, state your name for the record, please.
Anthony Thomas.
Thank you. This case was scheduled for trial today at 9:30 a.m. Do I have a motion?
Your Honor, the officer is not present. We're asking that these matters be dismissed.
All right, thank you. Dismissal is granted without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear. Have a good day, Mr. Thomas.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Bye. And then I'll do Gary C here, which I have ticket number P1869680, City versus Gary Posey. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Posey. Mr. Posey, please state your name for the record.
Gary Eugene Posey.
Your Honor is not present. We're asking that this matter be dismissed.
All right, thank you. Dismissal is granted without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear. Mr. Posey, have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Good.
All right, now let's get to Ms. Taylor. All right, we've got Danella Taylor. Calling case number Z80600071, City versus Donella Marie Taylor. Appearances, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Taylor. Your Honor, Ms. Taylor is here for sentencing today. Ms. Taylor, can you please state your full name for the record?
Darnella Marie Taylor.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
Ms. Taylor has reviewed her pre-sentence report. She has indicated that it is factually accurate and she is prepared to move forward.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Taylor. So you have quite an interesting file here because this case is back from 2019 and it looks like you've been sober for a while. Is that true?
Yes.
All right, congratulations. So you've got this last thing to clean up, but they screened you at intake with probation and you were negative for everything. So that's great. They've got some recommendations. Let's see what they're, okay, 9-month term of probation, so fairly short. Attend and complete the MAD victim impact panel, not consume any alcohol or alcohol-related products, not use or possess any illicit drugs unless prescribed by a physician, random urinalysis once a month at an outside agency. Again, that's pretty lenient. Everybody's, I think, happy about your sobriety today. Attend and complete an alcohol highway safety level 1 course, view the short film consequences. Got a $100 assessment fee, a $15 urinalysis fee, and any other assessed fines and fees. Under the current state of the law, we can bring you back. If you get compliant, everything's done. When you're halfway through your probation, you can come back and ask me to let you off, okay? All right. Anything else you would like me to know before I impose sentence?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Okay, well then, looks like I'll go ahead and follow the recommendations as just stated. The term of probation is 9 months with those conditions. I'll impose a fine of $190. That's the lowest fine the court can impose. And so, you know, I'm doing that. You're just cleaning something up from, looks like 6 or 7 years ago. So you'll get it cleaned up. I'm sure you won't have any issues on probation, it looks like, and you'll get this done. All right?
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Taylor, Attorney Gaten Robinson, anything further with Ms. Taylor?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then you're all done with me for today, Ms. Taylor. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Your Honor, did Mr. Porter log back in? He fell off in the middle of me talking.
Yes, he did. He's complaining that he's at work, and I just told him he still has to wait because this is court. So we're
So,
gonna do
Your
court.
Honor, this is the thing. I've accommodated Mr. Porter I've been in his room 4 different times because
Okay.
he's at work. It's so loud
Okay.
at work, you can't
All
hear
right.
him.
Okay,
And then
so he's in 27. If that happens again, you tell him that he's gonna have to come in person.
Okay, because I waited to his break and then he fell off on his break.
Yeah, so that's not gonna work. So he's gonna, you know, he's gonna have to come in person if he can't make Zoom work.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here in person.
Okay.
Just that. He doesn't have his documents, but his phone is that.
Gotcha. Okay, he can come on in. Let's bring him in. On the iPhone without a name, I need a name, please. On the iPhone without a name, I need a name, please. Ms.
Hi,
Thomas?
yes. I'm sorry. I had got disconnected out of the room I was in. Number 4.
What's your,
Stacy Perkins. I'm sorry.
okay,
Stacy.
thank you. All right, this is the 3rd time, I think. I need you to not get kicked out. Do not try to do anything else on your phone. The officer is here in your trial, so we are going to do something with your case today. I need you to make sure you stay with us.
Yes, ma'am.
One moment, guys. Ms. Thomas, how may I help you? You're using the help button.
Yes, just want to know how much longer it's going to be.
Ms. Thomas, I don't know. You're here for a trial today. If it goes to trial, it could be quite a while. That's what's scheduled for today. You haven't been here that long. I know because I let you in myself and I was looking at you while I was doing some other things. You've been here a much shorter time than most of the other people here waiting for their trials today. Court started at 8:30. It's now 10 a.m. This court handles a heavy docket. You're going to have to wait. This is your trial date. Okay, please return to the room. I should be doing a case right now with the gentleman in front of me, but instead of doing that, I'm talking to you, which makes things take longer. Please return to your breakout room and wait.
Your
Good
Honor,
morning, sir. Yes, Ms. Gaden Robinson.
I'm sorry, you were in the middle of something. I apologize.
Go ahead.
Mr. Porter is going to need a date a little bit beyond that May 11th date. Is it possible for us to give him a little bit more time?
Yeah, you can give him May 20th. Is that okay, Madam Clerk? May 20th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Tarver, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, I know you were on your phone earlier. I remember.
Yes.
Okay, so we're calling ticket number P1885453. This is City versus Dago Tarver. And your sole tickets here are for no registration and no insurance.
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing about getting your registration and insurance? This ticket is pretty recent.
Yeah, I'm just starting to work at American Park, so
Okay.
I'll eventually be able to take care of this.
Okay, great. Congratulations on the new job. Then I think the best thing to do is for me to give you a date to come back. Okay. My next pretrial date would be May 4th, which is going to come up on you pretty fast if you just started working. So what, can I give him the 20th too? All right. So what I'll do is I'll set you for May 20th. Okay, that's your final pretrial. If you have your documents, then great. If they'll get dismissed. Okay. If you don't, and you need a little bit more time, we can talk about that on that day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay. So May 20th at 8:30 a.m. Charge up that phone so that you can join us on Zoom. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Yeah, you don't have to come down here and park and all of that. You can just do your phone.
Okay.
Okay.
He's working next door. He can,
Right.
bring his paperwork.
Yeah, anytime you have it too, like if you get your registration and insurance, if you want to bring it over here one morning between like 8:30 and noon, if you want to walk it over here to us, and then we can take care of it without you having to come back if you get it before the 20th.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Have a great day. Otherwise, we'll see you May 20th. We need Tamika back now. Okay, we need you back ASAP for officers. Oh, I need customarian because I don't understand what she's saying to me here. Hey, Attorney Testamariam, I see you have Christian Thomas in room 22. Did you make the notes on that room name?
I did.
Okay, and so I just want to make sure Christian Thomas, because there was, I believe, given the number of cases, there was an offer. And I want to make sure that you've discussed that with Ms. Horn, that she's just willing to dismiss all on the docs.
He also has some default.
Let me see those, please. And then while you're talking to her about that, thank you, Madam Clerk. He's got some defaulted civil infractions. He's got a 2025 failure to stop for stop sign, no registration, expired plates, and violation of basic speed law, failed to signal, let's see. The fail to signal is from, yeah, that's still new enough. Fail to signal and another expired plates and a window tint. Is it Christian Thomas? Unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Thomas, you have a number of tickets in default that are putting points on your license, including failure to stop for a stop sign, violation of basic speed law, and a failure to signal. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can I say something, Your Honor?
Well, not while I'm in the middle of saying something, Mr. Thomas. Go ahead and turn your camera on.
You absolutely right.
Please activate your camera. Thank you. All right. Mr. Thomas, we're not getting off on the right foot here. If I don't ask you to come see me for court in my bedroom, I don't want to visit you in yours. I'm turning off your video so you can get yourself together. Good morning again, Ms. Horn. Okay, so real quick before I've got Christian Thomas in the main room, just I want to put this one on your radar while you're dealing with the others. He has valid docs for everything. So he's got a number of cases on our docket. He does have valid docs for everything. Also, he's got a number of tickets eligible to come out of default. So those are the ones I want to tell you about real quick. Ready. He's got a December 2025 default for failure to stop for a stop sign and no registration. He does have registration now. He's got same thing from December of 2025 expired plates. He's taking care of that, it looks like. He's got a December, same thing, December, these are all the same date. They loaded him up. December 16th, 2025. Oh, no, they're all different locations too. Interesting. He's got a registration on that one, same date, different location, and a violation of basic speed law, but that one's not in the system. Okay, so that one we don't worry about. That's not in the system. It doesn't look like. And then we've got from July 2024, he's got a defaulted failed to signal, window tint, and expired plates.
The people are asking the 2024 tickets to stay. It's 2 years out almost.
Well, we're not to July yet. I'll consider that as part of the overall, like whatever we're doing, you know. So he's got the failed to signal, tinted windows, and expired plates on that one. And then he's got some other ones on the 2025. So I'm not asking you to figure it out now, Ms. Horn. I'm going to put it back in the breakout room.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Thomas, I'm going to put you back in a breakout room just so they can go through those civil infractions. Those are the ones that are putting points on your license, okay?
All right.
All right, so I'm going to put you back in the breakout room so that the city can look at whether or not they're going to make you an offer on that. I'm going to move you, though, up to room 5 so we don't lose track of you.
All right, thank you.
Go ahead and join for me. Okay, thank you, Attorney Testimonial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, looks like you were in room 6 last when I pulled you out. So thanks for coming out to help me with that one.
Your Honor, is Ms. Horn in the courtroom? You're muted, Your Honor.
I saw her in room 1 talking to the officers, and then she moved to room 2.
Okay, she might have had to step back to her other courtroom because she didn't respond when I called her. I'll wait. And I'll text her.
Thank you. Please let her know that we have case, that we can't do anything without her at this point, and I've got people getting antsy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Corporal Whitehead, good morning. Corporal Whitehead, good morning. What is going on today? Can I see the Perkins file? Stacy Perkins, please. Corporal Whitehead, you just muted again. Maybe he's in another courtroom. Are we dismissing Perkins? Do we have proofs? Corporal Whitehead, I'm trying to understand what's happening on the Perkins matter.
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. I haven't talked to the prosecutor yet.
Oh, okay. Did you move yourself back out?
Okay, yeah, you could put me back in, I think it was 1.
So I don't know what's happening because the prosecutor was in room 1 and I could see her microphone moving, talking to someone there.
Oh, well, put me back in there?
I'll move you back again.
I appreciate that.
Please go back to room 1. Perkins is likely really just a documents issue. That's all this is. Does Perkins have anything else that I need to know about, Stacy Perkins? Hmm.
Just those 3.
Okay. Morning. I don't know what's going on. I can't get Miss Horn. Okay. I could get Stacy Perkins to come out of the breakout room. I think Corporal Whitehead is ready to get out of here, and if they've got valid docs, that's going to be Tess and Miriam. Can I see all the files for the trials, please? This is getting out of hand. Hey, Attorney Tess and Miriam, you have in room 10 Stacy Perkins, which is an all documents case, no insurance, missing equipment, brake lights, and tinted windows. Do you know if they have proof that they've taken care of those things?
Perkins, let's see here.
Or if not, would you go see if they have, proof of things? Because it may be a dismissal, even though the officer's here, if they've got their proofs.
I don't think I've spoken with Perkins yet.
Okay, would you please go see if they have proof?
Allow me to speak with Perkins.
Thank you.
Okay.
Same thing on Pearson. What does she have? What does she not have? Hey, I didn't know what was going on because Gaden Robinson came out here to look for you.
Yeah, I was
Tessa,
speaking with my supervisor.
okay, Tessa Miriam was into, I just brought her, she's in room 10 now, checking on Stacy Perkins because it's all paper, insurance, etc. So I said, at least see what they have so that she can let you know. Because Corporal Whitehead came out too, and he said he was looking for you, so I sent him back, but he's here on Stacy Perkins.
Yeah, he didn't answer me when I called for him in the room.
I told him, that's what
Yeah.
I said, I know she was in room 1 because I was watching the microphone move and she was talking to officers, so I don't know what's going on there.
Okay, should I go back in room 2, Your Honor?
Sure, thanks so much.
Okay, yep, thank you.
wait, you got basically the best offer it gets in traffic court, okay? Oh. Again. All right, Ms. Thomas.
Yes.
Good morning again. Okay, hopefully that was worth the wait. 0 points, doesn't report to insurance, just a blockading, right?
Yes.
All right. Calling ticket number P1869097, City versus Kayla Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Kayla Thomas.
Thank you. They're going to dismiss the no insurance and amend the driving left of center, which would have points, to a blockading traffic, which is 0 points, and it doesn't report out to your insurance. My understanding is you wish to accept that offer?
Yes.
Okay. Just raise your right hand, swear to tell the truth for me. And then you can put, I just need an answer.
Yes, this is the truth.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it true that on February 17th at 2026 in the area of southbound Wyoming and Plymouth that you were either driving left of center, which we will reduce to blockading, or blockading traffic?
Yes.
All right. Blockading, 175, 60 days to get it paid, or to see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal remains intact, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Good, thank you.
That was Kayla Thomas, correct?
Yes.
Get Corporal Bajan out. I almost wonder if if my prompt back to the main session is not working. It's like no one's.
I think we've both been having that issue lately.
Mr. Thrasher? Okay, there we go. All right, we ready on Thrasher, Attorney Gaten Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me try to move these officers out here, although I'm not able to, something's going on with my ability to move people today.
You want me to go in and tell them to come out?
That would be great. And if you could get Corporal Bajan as well. So officers on Kayla Thomas and Thrasher. Thank you. Corporal Bajan. Please go ahead, Corporal Bajan. Just state your name for the record on the Kayla Thomas matter. The plea was to blockading. I'm sorry, I was trying to prompt you out before I got done.
Okay, Corporal Jamie Bajan, badge 234, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. And that is in relation to City versus Kayla Thomas. Thank you, Corporal Bajan. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, then looks like we're ready on Thrasher.
Yes. Mr. Thrasher, turn on your video and unmute your device, please, and thank you.
All right, this is a big one. Okay, calling ticket number P984798 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Rondell Thrasher. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Thrasher. Mr. Thrasher, can you please state your full name for the record?
Rondell Thrasher.
Thank you. Now to the officers. Corporal Jones, please state your name for the record.
Corporal Jerry Jones, badge 1530, Detroit Police Department. Go on.
Thank you. Good morning, Officer Hope.
Nicholas Hop, Detroit Police Officer, badge 1789.
Thank you. And Officer Asakari? Or Asakri?
Officer Zachary, badge 232 with Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
My client has been made a very generous offer that he would like to take advantage of. So, Your Honor, with regards to the matters where no officers appeared as a direct result of it being trial date, it is now 10:44, and none of those officers appeared. We would be seeking dismissals of those matters. With regards to the matters for Officer Jones, if Mr. Thrasher pleads guilty to the ticket ending in 131 to an amended count failure to display, the other matters will be dismissed. I think she said Azrahi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. With regards to Officer Azrahi's matter, he would be pleading under a 3-month delayed sentence for the open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger. And with regards to Officer Hempt, he would be pleading to 1 amended charge of allowing an unlicensed person to drive. He'd like to take advantage of that, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. That is quite a generous offer given the stack of tickets I have in front of me. All right. Mr. Thrasher, is all that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. As to Officer Jones' ticket, I have. All right, hold on, because you've got some other tickets. I want to make sure these are dismissed for plea. Good morning again, Ms. Horn. Do you want to place your name on the record for the Thrasher matter?
Yes, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Okay, thank you. All right. Mr. Thrasher, is it true that on December 18th of 2009, you were operating a vehicle in the area of Mack Avenue and Concord and could not display a valid license to Officer Jones upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Right. Is it also true, sir, that on March 14th of 2021 in the area of East McNichols and Mount Elliott Street, you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of a motor vehicle that was operating on a public roadway?
Yes.
Counsel, are you satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, that one's the 3-month delay. And then finally, is it true that on January 24th of 2023, in the area of Madeline and Redmond, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, your fines are as follows. On the one that I just read to you, well, they're each going to be $190. So on the one that I just did, the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that one is $190. On the first one, which was your failure to display a valid license, that one is also $190. One moment, please. I want to review this. Okay. And then I have That's on your allowing, and then on your failure to display, that one's also $190. So they're each $190. Okay, so you got $390 fines, and you have 90 days to pay them. On one of these, you got a 3-month delayed sentence. I'm telling you that because you can go see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan if you need one. You'll have to give them the down payment, but as long as you give them the down payment within the 90 days, your deal remains intact. And this is a deal you want to remain intact because you are having a number of tickets dismissed for no officer and some counts dismissed for pursuant to your plea. One of these matters, however, is a 3-month delayed sentence. That one needs to get paid in 90 days. So if you talk with the cashiers about a payment plan, make sure that they understand that you need to prioritize your 90-day delayed sentence case, okay?
Okay.
That's on the open alcohol. You need to get that one paid in the 90 days, and we'll set a review date to see if it's paid in 90 days. I'll have you come back July 20th of 2026 just to make sure that everything, that one's taken care of. It'll come off your record at the end of the 90 days as long as your fine is paid and you haven't gotten any similar tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back then, everyone. Officers, thank you for your appearance. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now where are we? I've got folks in, I guess, room 5. There's an offer there. I've got, yeah, we've got all that. Oh, somebody got stuck in the waiting room. He's got kicked out. Pearson. Okay, Mr. Thrasher, have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, guys, we're trying to clean up. About done here. Corporal Whitehead, I've got you on Stacy Perkins. What happened? Is one of you Stacy Perkins? Unmute if you are. I need to know.
Yes, I'm Stacy Perkins.
Okay, very good. Give me just a moment. And then I have Naja Pearson. Miss Pearson, which room were you in?
I was talking to an attorney.
I understand that. Do you know which room you were in?
6, I believe.
All right, I'm putting you back.
Your Honor, hold on one second. Did she speak with someone?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I'd already sent her back. That I don't know.
Pop in and see if she spoke to someone. If not, I'll try to get her done.
She's in room 6. And then I've got Stacy Perkins. I think that's the one that's dismissal for compliance. Ms. Horn, does that sound right? She got kicked out and came back, so I'm not positive. Corporal Whitehead, does that sound right to you?
Yep, I recommend dismissal since she showed all the receipts. We can dismiss it all.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Ms. Perkins, turn your camera back on. Please make sure you're not driving. Pull over. Let's get your tickets done. Thank you. Calling ticket number P183-8509 and P180-6746, City versus Stacy Perkins. Ms. Perkins, state your name for the record, please.
Stacy Perkins.
Thank you. Corporal Whitehead, your appearance, please.
Corporal Whitehead, bad 4344 traffic enforcement.
Thank you. Ms. Perkins, good job getting all these things taken care of. Corporal Whitehead has recommended dismissal of your tickets on that basis. I'm going to go ahead and grant the dismissal at this time. Thank you both for your appearance. The tickets are dismissed.
Thank you. So I can get my license back?
So that you need to discuss with Secretary of State. I'm only dealing with Detroit tickets and I don't know what else you might have. But as for this stuff for Detroit, these are dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, she has spoken with Ms. Testifamarian.
Okay, very good. Then it looks like you may be all done. Thank you for everything today.
No problem. Ms. Kim, check your email.
Yes, I have it. Thank you.
That's 2 times in a row. Look at that. We winning.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, we've got Christian Thomas ready. Good morning, Mr. Thomas, again.
Good morning. Again.
All right. Good, we can deal with all of these defaults. Okay, so calling tickets number P1843985 and all other related matters on today's docket as to City versus Christian Thomas. I also have tickets number P1843929, P1843983, P1844054, and P1605796 involving defaulted tickets. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Christian Thomas.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thomas, you have a number of tickets that were on the docket for today, just dealing with documents, driver's license, insurance registration. We have verified that all of those things are valid. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss those tickets at this time for compliance. Then we have your tickets that are in default. And Ms. Horn, I just want to make sure that I understood the notation, which was to 2 counts of blockading. And I wanted to just know your position on that July 2024 case. With those notes, that one was for the, he's got a fail to signal window tint and expired plate on that ticket. And I just want to make sure I understand how that one's being dealt with.
Okay, Your Honor. Yes, thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. The plea that I offered will encompass 2025 and 2024.
Okay, thank you. All right, so then I will take the motion to move those tickets out of default, grant that motion, pull those tickets out of default. And we want to use the, let's see what I can use. I can use for the blockading, I can use ticket ending in 3929, count 1. And then I can use ticket ending in 5796, and I can do count 1 there. And then dismissal of the others. For those for the blockading, does that work for you?
Yes, Your Honor. Yep. For me, it works for me, Mr. Thomas.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, Mr. Thomas, you are admitting to the 2 counts of blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Each of those is $175. It does not report out to insurance, and it's 0 points.
Okay.
But you've got 2 $175 fines. I am giving you 60 days to do one of 2 things with those fines, and that is to pay them in full or to go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. If you can't pay it all within 60 days, tell them you need a longer term payment plan and give them the down payment to get started on it. As long as you do that, your deal will remain intact, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate you.
Have a good day. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
You
All
too.
right, so then the only other thing we have left, and I don't know if you've already dealt with this one, Ms. Horn, because this person was dropping in and out, is room 6, Ms. Pearson.
See, I think yes, Ms. Tesfamarian and myself, I believe we discussed her matter.
Okay.
Let's see. And the texting is what I would like her to plead to in dismissal of the final 2.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. All right, I'll take care of those. Hopefully she'll get that one done. They're in there together now. Oh. And plead responsible to the text messaging. All right, looks like that plea has been accepted, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Everyone have a good day.
You have a great day.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, Attorney Tesfamere, we're ready on Pearson. Ms. Pearson, start your video, please, Ms. Pearson. Thank you. All right, good morning. Calling ticket number SP 186-42871, SP 186-42872, and SP 186-42873. City versus Naja Pearson. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Tesfamere on behalf of Ms. Pearson. Ms. Pearson, state your name for the record, please.
Naja Pearson.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, she's shown valid documentation for the no insurance and for the valid registration, and she wished to plead as charged to the texting while operating.
All right, thank you. Ms. Pearson, is that correct? You're going to be admitting to the texting while operating?
Yes.
Okay, is this the first time you've gotten one of these tickets?
Yes.
Okay, so it's $100.
Okay.
It's up. Every time you get caught doing that, it gets worse. So just, you played your first card. Okay, so be careful. If you need to get a mount for the vehicle, get a mount for the vehicle, because it'll just keep costing you more money and all that. All right. So $100, 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you. You as well.
Bye-bye. And Attorney Tesfamere, thank you so much for all of your work today.
I have a
Your audio is all, I don't know what's going on with your audio. I'll stop your video, see if that helps. Oh, she logged off. Okay. Okay. I just want to go over the Thrasher file when you're ready. A lot there. Yes. Go ahead and end.
Have a good day, everyone.
Oh, hey, you too, Miss Pillow. Have a good day.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for everything today.
You're welcome. Take care. Bye, Kim.
See you later. I think I can.